Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Katrina. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a really simple, quick tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to edit a YouTube thumbnail on your phone. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're notified whenever I upload. So if you want to see how to edit a YouTube thumbnail on your phone, keep watching. Alright, so usually I connect my phone to my computer and I do the screen record from there, but I figured for this video, since I have my new phone, I have the iPhone XR, and if you haven't seen that video with me showing you guys what's on my phone, I'll put that link down below. But yeah, since I have my new phone, I figured I'd try using the screen record now. It's pretty much the same thing. I feel like I might, after this, I might still continue connecting it to my computer just because the file will already be there on my computer, as opposed to I have to transfer it from my phone to my computer to edit it, but whatever, it's okay. So let's start the record. Okay, unlock my phone. So now the app I'm going to be using is called Fonto. I hope that's how you pronounce it. Let's open it up. This app is free. So yeah, it's free, so that's already a plus. So what you want to do is you want to press this little camera. Start off with plain image. Just select clear or whatever background you want to pick. I'm just selecting a clear white background. And now where this width and height is, you want to press that, and you want to customize the width and the height. So the width and the height for a YouTube thumbnail is 1280 by 720. Okay. Press the arrow at the top right here. Press use. So now we have our base. Now what you want to do is press the menu button right here. Add image. Go to your camera roll and select the image that you want to edit. I actually already took a picture for this thumbnail before I started the video, so you guys could see what I'm doing. So now, I guess you can edit the shape and everything here, but I'm just going to leave it as is. Okay, so now what you want to do is press the picture, press size, and you just want to zoom in. If it's bigger than the base, it's okay because it'll just kind of crop it out when you save it. Okay. So you just want to place it how you want it. I think that's good. Okay. So now what you want to do, well, you can edit it however you want. I'm just going to add text to it. So let's start by adding text. So I'm going to call this, I guess, how to. You can change the fonts. You can also download fonts into this app. If you guys want to see that, I'll do a separate video. It's not really that long, but it's just extra for this video. So if you guys want to see that, comment down below and I'll show you how you can download more fonts to use on the app. So this is some fonts that I have downloaded already. So let's see. So I'm going to start with that, how to. Drag it onto the picture. Now you can change the size, make it how big or however small you want. If we go to style, we can change the color. Let's see. Okay. I'm not sure what. I'm not sure exactly how I want the. You know what? I'm actually just gonna have it like. So let's say how to. Okay, so now I'm gonna add another text. How to edit a YouTube thumbnail on your phone. Something like that. I might change it later, but just for the sake of the video, I'm just showing you guys an example. Let's see. I'm going to position this right. So you can do it like that. Save a style. Let's see if we change the font for this one. That's cute. Okay. What enemies we've done? iPhone. Okay. Let's see if we make this over there. So yeah, basically this part is just kind of playing around. Just getting it how you like it. Okay. Again, I might switch it up later, but I'm just showing you guys an example. So yeah, once you can figure out everything you want to do, actually there's another thing you can do. If you want to add another image on top of it, you can just go to, like, let's say I wanted to add, I don't know, an emoji. So you would type in emoji PNG. So you want like something with a transparent background. So let's see this. This is like not for this picture, I'm just showing you guys an example. Let's go back to the Photo app, go back to the menu, add image, done, and then see, you can add images onto there. I'm not going to keep that emoji, I just wanted to show you guys an example. So yeah, after you do that, you just press this arrow, save image, it saves to your camera roll, and that's it. So yeah, it's really simple. Again, the app is free. You don't have to worry about paying for an app. Like I said, if you want me to show you guys how to download different fonts onto the app, comment down below and I'll make a separate video showing you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you haven't already, I would really appreciate it if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're notified whenever I upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!